Please make sure you're using an iPhone with at least iOS 9 system. If you would like to use your Apple Watch, please make sure it is at least January 3 or newer. We're still working on the development to support more versions of Apple and Android products. First off, please install TestFlight on your iPhone. You can find it in the App Store. Then please open your invitation email or tap on the public invite link on your iPhone. This should take you to TestFlight directly. Tap Accept and install Cozie on your iPhone. At the first time you open Cozie on your iPhone, the app will ask you notification preference. Please allow Cozie to send you notifications. As a new user, please create an account by clicking Sign Up. Your email and password will be securely stored in our cloud. We're using Firebase SDK for authentication. If you are coming back for Cozie, please click Login. As you're creating the password, please make sure the password is at least 8 characters long and contains a special character and a number. After you create an account, the app will ask you for your location preference. Please select Allow while using app, as the location information is critical to this study. If you are also using Apple Watch during the campaign, please ensure that Cozie application was successfully installed on your Apple Watch. To install Cozie on your Apple Watch, open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap My Watch tab, then scroll to Cozie. Cozie should appear in the Available Apps section. Tap Install. It might take 10 minutes or even longer to install Cozie on your Apple Watch depending on your connection. After install Cozie on your Apple Watch, please open it as if you were about to complete a survey. Then open the iOS app on your iPhone. Go to Setting tab and click on Sending Participant ID to Watch. Make sure the phone and the watch are close to each other, and that app on the watch is open when you click the Sending Participant ID button. You may need to click twice. If the pairing was successful, the watch should vibrate and you should hear a notification sound. If you complete all previous steps, congratulations! Now you have Cozie on your iPhone or Apple Watch. After you set up Cozie on your iPhone or Apple Watch, firstly, please open eligibility card and answer the questions. Please make sure you are eligible for this study. Then, please review the consent card. At the end, you will be asked to sign the form if you agree with this consent. You can also find the full consent form from our GitHub. After that, please finish the onboarding card. Note that you only need to finish this card once. The survey card is where all the survey questions are. Please complete the survey at least 3 times during the campaign. Please answer the survey card at different places if possible, as we want to capture the data under different circumstances. If you are using Apple Watch, you should be able to finish the survey question on your watch side as well.